What to do, YouTube? It's just Jane, back with just another video. I am a sophomore at Oklahoma City University. I am a marketing major and a social media minor. It's also a Monday. OOTD for the day. We got a JoJo bow. We got a subscribe to Just Jane on YouTube shirt, and then some red Adidas sweatpants, and then some like cheetah print Adidas shoes. It's kind of like lazy cute. Yes ma'am with the fit, you know me. I always have to pop off. It's early. I am not a morning person. I swear, I can't get away from these 8 a.m.s, bro. Every semester I've been in college, I've like had an 8 a.m. So I only drive to class whenever it's like super cold outside. Baby, I don't do cold weather. Like, I can't. I won't. The university is like not that big. I go to a small private university with like 3,000 kids. I did not think this through. It's kind of windy outside and I have no jacket and I didn't put lotion on my elbows. My elbows are gonna be ashy.
That's not at all how you talk.
Oh my God.
That I never drank much coffee never means repeatedly, habitually. So baby, yeah. Number 8, you were a funny girl.
Now I'm going to macroeconomics. Oh my God. Minder School of Business.
It's our home.
Yeah, basically we live here.
Honestly.
Pretty much. Yep. Day in the life of a business major.
This can get like 3 views.
Stop. I mean, you're right, but like, stop. After class, me and Tara like to go to the lounge in the business school and we'll like sit and we'll like talk and gossip a little bit, but like also do our homework. So this is what I got going on. Ew, this vlog's gonna be ugly.
Oh, because I'm in it?
No. We do this for about an hour and 10 minutes maybe, right? My homegirl is chillin'.
Got some international econ going on. Favorite class?
Really?
No.
Oh, I'm done. I'm literally leaving. Like, I'm actually leaving right now. You don't understand. I'm packing up my stuff and I'm running away and you can't stop me.
Okay.
Goodbye. I'm walking to class because it's a super nice day. It's kind of windy though.
If you ever watched the original Star Trek, their mobile communicator, hey, beam me up, Scotty, right? Okay, you have more power in your watch, more memory than what they went to the moon with.
Just got out of my last class for the day. Yeah, the cab. Woo! My friend. Getting some food. Hey. Let's see the milk in the back. Oh, 2% or whole, you can choose. She needs some milk. Today at the caf, I am having fries, a chicken quesadilla, some wings, and then a cupcake. Come on, Tara. Hello. Hello, Corinna. Yes, ma'am.
A quesadilla, but it's just cheese, 'cause I'm vegetarian.
Let's give them a mukbang. I can't believe that just happened. Oh, you are so bold.
Funny.
Wow. Why were you looking at him? Let's give them a mukbang. I thought it was mukbang.
I thought it was mukbang. You said mukbang.
What did I say again? Fake news. This is acting at a performing arts school, of course. Give them what they deserve. Wait, no tea on camera. I'm at work. I work at Oklahoma City University as a tour guide. If you ever want to visit here, hi, hello, my name is Jane and I could be your tour guide here if I inspire you to come here. Maddie, you have no idea, this is so bad. Like, I hate filming in front of people. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so terrible. Like, you should have seen me earlier. Some of it was tragic. There's a student life tour and an academic tour, and today I'm doing the academic tour. But whenever I'm not giving a tour, I stay in the office, either at the front desk or in the back, and we like just do a lot of like paperwork and like projects and stuff like that. So we're always doing something here.
Mom and Dad.
Welcome to New York. It's been waiting for you. I feel like OCU royalty. Hello. Okay. All right.
Have a good day today.
Thank you. Y'all too. Bye. Goodbye. Whenever I get back from work, usually I either watch TV, take a nap, or scroll through the socials because I am basic. And hello? No. I'm doing a day in the life.
I accidentally slept till 1 p.m. and I'm just now eating lunch.
Can I have a fry though? In the cab, yes ma'am. It's not as busy as it usually is right now, which is like kind of weird because the cab is literally my favorite place to go on campus because it's the place where you can see the most people at once, and I'm so extroverted. My roomie, bestie, Catherine. Yes ma'am.
Okay.
I just love how you are the only person who's like hangs out with me like on a day-to-day basis that is here right now. Where's everybody else at? Nowhere. Just you. So they didn't make the cut. No callback. We're catching up on Floribama Shore because we love Ratchet reality television. After long, hard work, I finished my homework and it's after midnight right now. So I am going to go to bed. It's a little bit of a weird Monday because usually I'm hanging out with my friends like all the time, literally every day of the week for hours on end. But also I'm not mad about it because now it makes it more of a me day and I don't get those very often in college, so I'll take it. If you guys want more day in the life videos, let me know because there are 7 days in a week and every day is different for me. So good night. 1, 2, 3, peace.